Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use and customize the switching input shortcut on your XIAOMI G27Qi monitor. So to use the shortcut, you have to reach for the joystick, which is located on the back side of your monitor. You can easily reach it from the right side. And if you drag this joystick to the left, you will open the input menu where you'll be able to select the input for your device. But if you don't like this shortcut, if you want to customize it, you can press the joystick inward and then drag it to the right side, scroll down to menu settings, then drag it to the right, scroll down to shortcuts, then drag it to the right and select the button that you want to use for this shortcut. For example, we can select up button and then select input. And now if we leave this menu by dragging the joystick to the left and move the joystick up, we'll be able to select the input. And that's pretty much how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.